Guys, welcome to my channel. So we are here again and we're gonna dabble into a little black and grays. So if you want to see how I pull off this look, because I'm not very good at that, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, and let's ignore that I'm recording in my robe. Just gonna keep it moving. I am actually, today's the 22nd, which is my daughter's birthday, so I'm wearing white, so I don't really want to record with it because it never ends well, ever. Trying to get a blush. Okay, so let's jump into this. So this is actually from Makeup by Yolondo, and it's the volume 2. The volume 2, which is this one, and this one is the graduate grays, which looks like so yeah. So I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna go into this shade first, and then this, and then this, just the usual. And I'm using a Y210, and I'm just gonna I'm just stamping this. I know a lot of people don't like to use blacks because blacks can be intimidating. Like, I don't, anybody that say like, yeah, black is intimidating, I'm not gonna be like, oh no, it's not, because it is. But Pimby's blacks are really good. So it's just if you get a good black. If you don't get a good black, then that can be bad. But ooh, I don't want to go too high with that black. So that is it for the black. Now I'm taking an F150, also from Pimby, and we're gonna go into that kind of darker gray shade, and I'm just gonna stamp it right here. Ooh. Ooh, that black just made a whole harsh line. But it's fine, because I'll make it work. So this gray is definitely darker than I thought it was gonna be. But it's fine. And then I'm gonna go back to that black. So you know what's cool about this? I'm using really dark colors, and I have very little fallouts, which usually doesn't happen. So we're gonna clean that same brush, and I'm gonna go into that lighter gray shade. Ooh, I hate when I put that mirror like this. And then I'm just gonna fluff it out. Do I like this? Maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna go in the white shade. I want to put it right here. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I don't know. Yep, I like how this looks better. And now I'm gonna go in with my glitter glue. And we're gonna go into the silvery shade, maybe. Just gonna melt in the black in there. Okay, so that's it. Nice, simple, quick. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and today for my primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I was putting this over. Let's put this down, and let's talk about Miss in we're using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. It does have an SPF, which is good, you know, especially if it's you wear in the daytime. This is a slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo, and yeah, face feels good. I don't know, like, so I have 510 and 505. I think 510 is a little bit dark, and I think 505 is a little bit light. Like, story of my life. So this is 505. See, I feel like this is too light. Is it down? Let's see. I don't like my foundation super light, so I mean, I just want it perfect, right? But I was curling my hair and I dropped my curling iron on my neck. And I know it looks like a hickey, but I promise you guys it's not that. I am too grown for that. Okay, and we're gonna use our Makeup Forever. One of the huge. Let me use my Makeup Forever, I think. Is this? Yeah. So it's kind of grayish. A little bit, I think. Blends good though. I guess it's fine. Let's blend that concealer. I'm already seeing my... I'm gonna have problems. I still have a cold, so I'll wipe my nose. And then when I wipe my nose, then it's gonna be problem. And then I'm just gonna take my foundation brush just to like almost put like a kind of what is the word I'm looking for? So there's no separation between my concealer and my contour. So it looks like so. Nice and soft. I know my contour today is kind of like dainty, but that's fine, you know, some days are like that. And I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever HD setting powder. This wasn't planned to use both of them, but you know, it happened that way. So it's like taking forever. See, I don't have patience. I just want to just put it in there and just take a whole big gob. But when I do that, I have powder everywhere. So I'm gonna use, actually, I'm gonna try to use this sponge that comes with it. Some here, some right now. I'm just gonna go everywhere. I have concealer, and I'm just gonna put here. Like so. And now I'm gonna jump into my face powder, which is my Micro Smooth from Sephora. I know today's a robe kind of day. When it's a top, if I'm wearing a white top, I take a chance and record with it. When I'm wearing a white dress, however, I can't take the chances. I cannot take chances. Cause stuff fall like on my leg and yeah. Okay, let me put some base on my waterline area, kind of. I like to use a pencil brush, but I can never find one. And the video gotta move on, so. Okay, this will work. So let this dry up and let's jump into bronzer. I'm gonna use my Laguna bronzer from NARS. Oh, and this is a crown brush. I'm not sure what number that is. I feel like I need something with a little more oomph. Just a little more oomph for some definition. Let's see if this will work. This is what? Empanama Sound from Becca, I guess. Ooh! Okay, that's too much. But it's fine. I guess I wasn't that last one, that Laguna one is more kind of a bronzer, which it is. And this, I know it's like too dark for me. So I just use it just for contour. Just for contour. That's a lot. But you know what? Nothing under the powder haven't fixed. And now let us do some blush. Now this blush from NYX. Look at how orange this is, but we're just gonna go in with a very light hand. This shade is HBD 10. Ooh. So guys, if you get this, you have to go in with like, when I say light hand, and this is LR 300 by, or 308, sorry, by Ruce, and I'm gonna use that to, you know, do a little situation here. This is actually what? This is gold pose from a MAC. This is actually, I try not to use this on my channel, guys, because this is discontinued and I hate it when MAC does that. But we'll just ignore that. We'll ignore it. Let me use my number 28 brush from Stila, and we're gonna go in and finish up the eye. Why not, right? So I don't think I'm gonna put the other, like that middle gray. I think I'm just gonna put the lighter gray. So 217. That is great. Now I'm gonna use this nude eye pencil from Essence. Yeah, for this look you definitely don't want to go, I mean, you can go black if you want like that super smoky, but I don't. And then I'm gonna use this brush from Lunar Beauty. It's an LB6, and we're gonna go into that white, I think, like this shade right here, and I want to put that in my inner corner. I mean, why not a red lip, right? I know I'm doing the most, but do whatever I want. And to line my lip, I'm using this red liner from Aveeo Beauty. Maybe this. Let's put this metallic red from its Too Faced. What shade is this? BTITCH. I'm Too Faced. It's a bit much. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I had fun creating, you know, let's ignore how dirty this looks. I had fun creating this nice, you know, soft makeup look. I mean, I know it's not soft, it's like gothy looking but a big red lip. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.